To the Carolina Weather Group. We have a new tornado warning. This has just been issued for Durham and Wake counties in North Carolina, as well as Franklin and Granville County. This is going to go until 4:45, and this is a severe thunderstorm located near Durham, moving east at 40 miles per hour, with the possibility of a tornado. Some areas to be affected by this would be Raleigh at 4:10. Wake Forest around 4:30 and Franklinton at 4:40. So let's get to the radar. Show you what's going on here in the Raleigh area. So let's pull this radar up. You guys will be able to see right here is the circulation. This is going to be moving pretty close to the Raleigh Durham International Airport. So we're watching this rotation just out to the south of Gorman. That area being watched. Here's the terminal Doppler radar um, moving through here. So this is the area that we are watching. We're also watching this little area up here as well. This could also produce a quick spinning tornado in this area in Durham County. So again, this is going to be moving into Raleigh pretty quickly, as well as let me switch over our radar product here. North Raleigh, at least. Let me see if we can get the Raleigh NWS Raleigh radar up, and that way we could kind of get just a better advantage point to this, because I'm afraid this is going to be kind of tempered down for some rainfall. So let me see if we can find the Raleigh Airport. Here it is. Let's see if we can get that loaded up here. It takes just a second. There is a 40% chance a watch will be issued for this area. So again, we've got that up and going. So here's Raleigh. All of the action is going to be just to the north. And again, we're watching along this line here, just outside of Durham. This is going to be a new tornado warning is going to be issued, it looks like, for this area up here. Just getting that notification here off screen. So we'll watch for a new tornado warning to be issued as well. So this is going to be including Butner as well as Creedmoor. So that's going to be up at this location. It's going to be an extension of this one, kind of expanded warning here again. So this tornado warning, again, is going to be traveling just over the terminal Doppler there at the Raleigh-Durham International Airport. Creedmoor, Wake Forest, you're in this location. So here's the new warning. This is going to overlap. So Durham, you're under the gun right now. This is going to be passing near Bethesda. And then Gorman, you'll be next. And then the Raleigh-Durham International Airport. North of Raleigh, here's downtown Raleigh right here. You're under a severe thunderstorm warning, but the tornadic activity is going to be to the north of you. So Creedmoor, you need to be in your safe place. Youngsville, Franklinton, as well as the Raleigh-Durham International Airport, you need to be in that safe place. And again, this is the possibility of seeing a tornadic thunderstorm moving through Lake Butner, Falls Lake, as well. Not a lot of hail with this, so that's not really a hail threat. This additional warning right here is for southwestern Vance, southern Granville, central Durham, and northwestern Franklin County, again until 4:45. This is a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Butner or 7 miles northeast of Durham. So multiple rotations with this storm. Butner and Creedmoor, this storm will be near you at 4:25. Franklinton and Critnell, you will be in the path of the storm near 4:45. So again, two areas of rotation. This is going to be like a QLCS. This is our first one right here that we need to watch. And then our second warning, a little bit more broad, but we'll be watching rotation in this area moving into the Gorham area. Again, this tornado warning continues until 4:45, moving off to the east around 40 miles per hour. So it's a pretty quick moving storm. And as we get these newest radar signatures in, newest data, it's a little bit more broad, but still there. Here you can kind of see that rotation just north of Gorham. Here's Gorham. So just north of that. And then here's our next one, moving near the Raleigh-Durham International Airport. I'm going to pull up a different radar product here. I'm going to make sure we're going to keep this one on the terminal, and we're going to get this radar. Secondary radar is going to be from the National Weather Service radar. So we'll have two different radars to kind of pull data from, pull this data from to keep you up to date with what's going on here. So let me make sure we're here. We want to load this, please. There we go. All right. So here's that circulation near Gorham. It's what we're needing to watch. And the circulation here near Gorham. And then Butner, you need to be on the lookout. Creedmoor as well. There's this two tornado warnings moving into this area. So again, this is kind of a QLCS setup where we have embedded rotations along each line. So let me pull up. My dog's going crazy here. Let me pull up this screen share here, and let me see. We got. Get this screen share going here. Having a difficulty here. Let me get that over to our secondary screen. Here off. Maybe we can get this going here soon. Sorry about that. One-man show right now. All right, so I've got that up and going. So let's pull this data up. This is going to be a different look. This is from the Weather Service radar in Raleigh. You can kind of see this is a QLCS type line of storms moving into the Raleigh area. Here's Raleigh, the capital area, under a severe thunderstorm warning, but right now the rotation is going to be that we're watching is going to be to the north. And then we're watching these little indention areas. Here's one near Gorman that could produce a quick spin-up tornado. This is this other warning. This is the first warning that kind of prompted the rotation. Not as concerning look to it as it was earlier. But again, anywhere along this leading line, we can see a quick spin up, especially where we see these little notches develop. Here's another little notch right here along the 540 that we'll have to watch. But again, if you're traveling on Barney Lake Way, you need to be on the lookout for this. You need to be in your safe place. New Light Road. We have State Road 1910, Purnell Road, over towards Six Forks Road. And then we have State Road 1842, Tadblock Drive, Pleasant Union Church Road. Again, 540, Highway 98, moving through this area. You all need to be in your safe place as these storms continue to move. Let me scroll over here and see what's going on with the Weather Service. Not seeing any damage reports coming in, so that is some good news. We like to see that. No damage reports coming into the Raleigh area as this line. And I'm telling you, the rotation not as compelling as it was a little bit earlier when this warning was issued. And that's what's happening with these storms. We see them pulse up on radar, and then a couple of minutes, the rotation kind of weakens or kind of bows back into a line. So those notches are very short-lived. So that's kind of what we're seeing. But anywhere, let me just take out the velocities for just a second. Let's go to one panel here. Here's our reflectivity. Here's this QLCS line moving through Raleigh, moving back towards Creedmoor, through Durham. So anywhere along this line, anywhere we could see a quick spin up of a tornado develop anywhere through here. This line moving right through Raleigh. In fact, Gardner as well. Here's the Raleigh National Weather Service radar. So as we put our two panel up, you can kind of see here's our velocities, and you can kind of see anywhere in these little notches, we could see some brief rotation. But kind of looking through this, the rotation that prompted the warning has kind of fizzled out, not fizzled out, but has weakened some. So that is good. We like to see that. Let's see. Matthew's asking about a special weather statement for Pilot. I'm assuming Pilot Mountain, maybe. No severe thunderstorm warnings up in that area, but definitely some thunderstorms, rainfall, heavy rainfall like that in the area, but nothing severe up in that area right now. So again, here is that QLCS looking line, little line segments here. This is the area. We could watch this area right here. So if you live anywhere along New Light Road, over towards, let's see, this is Hulk Hollow Lane, up into the Horsefly Trail area, State Road 1901, over towards Cool Breeze Court and Purnell Road. This little indention here that I'm circling with the cursor, that's a little notch there in what we could see a quick spin up. But again, nothing right now as concerning as it was when this warning was first issued. But again, I would watch this this area right in here. And again, that is Creedmoor Road over towards Gostin Road, New Light Road, up into the Horsefly Trail, Bella Terra Court. If you live in those areas here in Durham County, you need to be on the lookout. So we'll be continuing to watch the coverage here, watching off screen here. But again, a tornado warning continues until 4:45, so another 15 minutes or so. But again, the rotation has weakened as this warning was issued. Since that, the rotation really has weakened some. So we'll continue to monitor this. And if we need to break back in, we will. For now, I'm Carolina Weather Group's Scotty Powell.